Beautifully furnished estate home with lake views and coastal living decor. The well-equipped and spacious kitchen has a double-wall oven, gas cooktop, extra cabinets, upgraded stainless steel appliances, walk-in pantry, and the heart of the hub. A large oversized quartz counter perfect for cooking and entertaining. The Mercede model, built by Taylor Morrison, has an open floor plan for an abundance of natural light. This stunning home has 3 bedrooms, plus a bonus room, den, formal dining area, 3.5 baths, one serves as a pool bath, an expansive lanai with pool, spa, summer kitchen with granite, beautiful view screen, and a 3-car garage. There is additional custom lighting around the house and gardens, plantation shutters, crown molding, gas fireplace in the living area, and 2-zone AC are just some of the many impressive features of this home. The award-winning amenities include a 54,000 square feet clubhouse, resort-style pool, casual and fine dining, tennis, pickleball, bocce and more.